Katie Price thinks David Ginola will be mortified when he looks back at his time on ITV's I'm a Celebrity. Get me out of here. The former footballer, 54, has stunned viewers with his incredibly loud snoring, and it's causing some sleepless nights among the campmates in the Welsh castle. Even I'm a Celebrity's official Twitter page poked fun at David's castle-shaking rumblings in a video that showcased the daily sounds the famous contestants have to put up with. In one clip from Wednesday night's show, the Frenchman can be seen asleep with his eyes covered, as Frankie Bridge and Maddie Lee laugh in exasperation over his snoring. And Katie, who has been treating her Instagram followers to reviews of each episode of the ITV show, reckons David will be mortified when he looks back at his time in the castle. "Oh my god. David's snoring," she told the camera. "He will hate that when he comes out. Imagine that." Katie then revealed her fiancé Carl Wood snores, and she'd be more than likely to film him asleep to try and embarrass him in front of family and friends. "That's the kind of thing that I would do to Carl when he's asleep, as a wind-up video," she said. "Send to his friends, and the family chat," Katie teased. She began the video by sharing the results of a poll she'd taken, as she asked her fans and followers if they wanted her to continue doing the nightly reviews. "Some of you don't like my comments, some of you do. But you can't agree with everyone," she said. "Just like I don't agree with what everyone else says about things," Katie cryptically added. The mum of 5 was full of praise for the show, regularly commenting on the contestants being really happy, and she said she was relieved to see the camp reunited in the main castle. However, she was disgusted with the campmates tucking into a controversial delicacy for their evening meal. "For me, squirrel is just a rat with a fluffy tail. I've never eaten squirrel, never. I don't know if I actually could," she said, as she made gagging noises. But she was blown away by David's cooking hack, as instead of using the fire, the former footballer opted to use the wood burner instead to heat up the pan, an idea which Katie said was brilliant. "I didn't even know you could do that. What a great idea," she said. And the model and author has seemingly already picked out her favorite, as she heaped praise on Good Morning Britain co-host Richard Madeley. "Poor Richard, he's such a good guy," she said about the challenge he took part in during Wednesday night's show, and said she felt sorry for him trying to grab all the fruit and vegetables with cold hands, but called him a tough cookie.